guys, it's Jessie here. Today we're gonna talk about the pronunciation of this character. Yeah, you probably knew it already. It's E, which means one. But what if I tell you it's not always pronounced as the first tone, E? I mean, if you have been listening to native Chinese speakers, no matter in TV shows or in everyday conversations, you would notice that its tone is a little bit mysterious. 今天21号上映了一部新电影，有一个人叫我一起去看，但我一直没答应，因为我觉得他这个人表里不一。我一般不评价别人，但他不一样，他的一举一动都被我看在眼里。哎呀，一时半会儿说不清楚，下次我再一五一十的告诉你。Confused? Good! Let's find out the pattern here. To start with, this is called tone change. Same things happen to other characters like Bu, which was explained in a previous video. Don't forget to check that out too. For this character, its original pronunciation is E, the first tone, but it has two variations. The second tone, E, and the first tone, E. It never changed the third tone, only the second and the fourth. So how do you tell when it's pronounced as which tone? 3 simple rules. Rule number 1, when it's on its own, when it's at the end of the word, or when it's representing an ordinal number, it's pronounced as the first tone, E. Rule number 2, when the character after it is the fourth tone, it's pronounced as the second tone, E. Rule number 3, when the character after it is the first, second, third tone, it's pronounced as the fourth tone, E. Now after having learned all the rules of its tone change, let's take a look at the examples again. 今天21号 21st is an ordinal number, so it falls into rule number 1. It's pronounced as the first tone, E. 21上映了一部新电影 Bu is the first tone, so it's pronounced as the second tone, 一部有一个人叫我一起去看 Ge is the first tone, it's pronounced as the second tone, 一个 but 起 is the third tone, so it's pronounced as the first tone, 一起一个一起但我一直没答应 Zhi is the second tone, so it's pronounced as the first tone, 一直因为我觉得他这个人表里不一 It's at the end of the word, so rule number 1 is pronounced as the first tone. 表里不一 is an idiom used to describe someone whose outside and inside are not the same. Like, what they're saying doesn't match what they're doing. 我一般不评价别人 班 is the first tone, so it's pronounced as the first tone. Rule number 3, remember? 一般但他不一样一样他的一举一动都被我看在眼里一举一动 is an idiom too. It means every move. But because 举 is the third tone, 动 is the first tone, so it's pronounced as 一举一动一时半会儿说不清楚一时半会儿 is a figure of speech. It means a short period of time and is often used in negative sentences. Something cannot be done in a short period of time. 下次我再一五一十的告诉你 Okay, this is the tricky one because 五 is the third tone, 十 is the second tone, but somehow there's no tone change here. It's 一五一十 still the first tone because they're numbers. 五 means 5, 十 means 10. 一五一十 is an idiom. It means to tell a story with all the details included, nothing missed out. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope with all the rules explained and examples practiced, the tone changes of E are clear to you now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.
Like it? Come on.